Okay, if you come into your car, step on the brake and press your engine stop button and nothing happens and you get this error, key not detected, most likely means the battery in your key fob is going dead. So the solution to be able to start your car before you replace your battery is you take your key fob and you come over to your start-stop button. Okay, you put on the brake and physically press the button with the key, with the dead key fob, and your car will start up and you'll be able to drive it as normal. And you just want to make sure that you change your key fob battery as soon as possible. I actually have another video on my channel, which I will link in the description, that shows you how to go about changing the battery. It's something pretty easy to do, but hopefully you found this video useful, and I thank you for watching.